Hi, I'm Anna. Welcome to Mrs. English Channel. Today we'll learn English in a fun and simple way. By the end of this video, you'll be able to master email and workplace English for beginners.
Hello everyone, I am ready to learn.
Imagine this, Sam. You send an email to your boss. You want to ask for a holiday. You write, "I want a holiday tomorrow." You hit send. 10 minutes later, your boss calls you into the office and he looks angry. Do you know why?
Oh no, was it because I didn't say please?
That is part of it, but it is mostly because the tone was too direct. In English, especially in the workplace, being too direct can sound rude, even if you don't mean to be. Today, we are going to fix that. We are going to turn your rude emails into professional, polite, and perfect emails that will impress your colleagues and your boss.
That sounds perfect, Anna. I always worry that my emails sound a bit robotic or too aggressive. I definitely don't want to make my boss angry.
Exactly, Sam. Writing an email is very different from texting a friend. When we text, we use short sentences, we use slang. But at work, your email is your professional image. If your emails are messy, people might think your work is messy. If your emails are rude, people might not want to help you.
That makes sense. It is about building relationships, right?
Yes, it is about respect and clarity. We are going to look at the 3 most common mistakes learners make: bad subject lines, informal greetings, and demanding language. Then we will practice fixing them together.
I am ready. Where do we start?
We start at the very beginning, the subject line. Sam, if you were writing an email to ask about a meeting time, what do you put in the subject line?
I usually just write hi or maybe meeting.
Okay, that is mistake number 1. A subject line like hi tells me nothing, and meeting is too vague. Imagine your boss has 10 meetings today. Which one are you talking about?
I see. So I need to be specific?
Yes, a good subject line is a summary of the email. It should tell the person exactly what the email is about before they even open it. Let's look at example 1. Instead of meeting, try meeting request Project Alpha.
Oh, that is much clearer. Meeting request Project Alpha.
Exactly. Let's try example 2. If you are sending a report, don't just write report. Write weekly sales report December.
Weekly sales report December. That makes it easy to search for later, right?
Spot on, Sam. Example 3. If you have a question, don't write question. Write question regarding the invoice.
Question regarding the invoice. Anna, what does regarding mean here?
Great question. Regarding is a professional way to say about. You can say question about the invoice, but question regarding the invoice sounds a bit more formal and professional.
Okay, I like that word, regarding.
Example 4. If it is urgent, you can use the word urgent in the subject line, but be careful. Only use it if it is truly an emergency, like urgent client cancellation.
Got it. Do not cry wolf. Only use urgent for big problems.
And finally, example 5. If you are applying for a job, don't just write job application. Write job application, Sam Smith, marketing assistant.
That helps them know who I am immediately.
Precisely. Now let's move to the greeting. Sam, how do you start your emails?
I usually say, hey Anna, or just Anna.
Hey is fine for friends, but in a professional setting, it is too casual. And starting with just the name can feel a bit abrupt. We usually use dear or hi.
When do I use dear and when do I use hi?
Dear is for formal situations. If you are writing to a new client or someone you don't know, use Dear Mr. Jones or Dear Miss Smith.
And hi?
Hi or hello is perfect for colleagues you talk to often. Hi, Sam, or hello, team. It's friendly but still professional.
What about to whom it may concern? I learned that in school.
That is very, very formal. We rarely use it nowadays unless you have absolutely no idea who will read the email. It's better to try to find a name or use a title like Dear Hiring Manager.
Okay, so hi for colleagues, dear for strangers or formal situations.
Correct. Now let's get into the most important part, the content. This is where we fix the rude tone. The secret ingredient is what we call softening language.
Softening language, like a soft pillow?
Sort of. It cushions your request so it doesn't hit the other person too hard. It turns a command into a request. For example, Sam, tell me to send me the file.
Send me the file.
Ouch, I feel like I work for you. That's a command, imperative. To soften it, we use could you, would you, or please. Try again.
Could you please send me the file?
Much better. That's polite. Another way to soften is to use I was wondering if or I would like if instead of I want.
I want sounds like a child, doesn't it? I want candy.
Exactly. In the workplace, we say, I would like to request, or I am interested in.
This is really helpful. I think I make these mistakes a lot.
Don't worry, Sam. That's why we're here. We are going to do some role play practice now. I'm going to give you a scenario. You say what you would normally write, and if there's a mistake, I will correct it. Then we will practice the pronunciation together. Are you ready?
I am ready. Let's do this.
Scenario 1. You are sick. You cannot come to work today. You need to email your manager. What do you write?
Okay, I would write subject, sick, message, I am sick, I stay home today.
Okay, that is very clear, but it is a bit too direct. It sounds like a text message. Let's make it professional. First, the subject line. Let's change sick to sick leave Sam.
Sick leave Sam. Okay.
Now the message. Instead of I am sick, which is very blunt, we often say I am not feeling well or I'm feeling under the weather.
Under the weather. That is a funny idiom.
Yes, it means you are feeling sick. And instead of I stay home, we say I will not be able to come in today. It sounds more responsible. So the full email is, Hi manager, unfortunately I am feeling under the weather today and will not be able to come in. I will check my emails if anything urgent comes up.
Wow, that sounds so much better. Unfortunately is a good word to add, right?
Yes, unfortunately shows that you are sorry about the situation. It adds politeness. Okay, Sam, repeat after me. Unfortunately, I am feeling under the weather.
Unfortunately, I am feeling under the weather.
And I will not be able to come in today.
And I will not be able to come in today.
Perfect. Scenario 2. You need to schedule a meeting with a client, but you are busy at 2 p.m. You need to suggest a different time.
Okay, I write, 2 p.m. is bad. Come at 4 p.m.
Oh, Sam, if you send that to a client, we might lose the client. Bad is a negative word, and come at 4 p.m. is an order. We need to be diplomatic.
Diplomatic. Okay, how do I fix it?
First, apologize for the conflict. Say, I am afraid I am not available at 2 p.m.
I am afraid. I'm not scared, though.
In this context, I am afraid is a polite way of saying I am sorry to say. It softens the no.
Ah, I see. I am afraid I am not available.
Exactly. Then propose a new time using a question. Would 4 p.m. work for you? Or are you available at 4 p.m. instead?
That sounds nice. It gives them a choice.
Yes, so the full sentence is, I am afraid I am not available at 2 p.m. Would 4 p.m. work for you instead?
That sounds very professional.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I am afraid I am not available at that time.
I am afraid I am not available at that time.
Would 4 p.m. work for you instead?
Would 4 p.m. work for you instead?
Excellent. Notice the rising intonation at the end because it is a question. Work for you instead.
Work for you instead?
Perfect. Scenario 3. You are sending a file or a document that someone asked for.
I write, here is the file.
This isn't terrible, but it is very casual. In business English, we have a standard phrase for this. We say, please find attached.
Please find attached. I have seen that before. Please find attached the report.
Yes, or simply attached as the report you requested. It draws attention to the attachment so they don't miss it.
Can I say, I attached the file?
You can, but please find attached as the gold standard for workplace emails. It is very polite.
Okay, repeat after me.
Yes, please find attached the report you requested.
Please find attached the report you requested.
That is a great closing sentence, by the way. It shows you are helpful.
I like being helpful.
Scenario 4. Someone sent you an email, but you didn't reply for 3 days. You are late.
Oops, I write, sorry, I forgot.
Oh, Sam. Honest, but maybe too honest. I forgot sounds unprofessional. It sounds like you are disorganized. We want to say sorry without looking bad.
So how do I say I forgot without saying I forgot?
We say apologies for the delay in responding.
Ooh, apologies. That sounds fancy.
It is a noun. I apologize is the verb. Apologies is a common shorthand in emails. Apologies for the delay. Or sorry for the late reply.
And I don't need to give a big excuse?
No, usually a simple apology is best. If you give a long excuse, like, my dog ate my homework, it sounds unprofessional. Just apologize and move to the topic.
Got it. Apologies for the delay.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Apologies for the delay in responding.
Apologies for the delay in responding.
I have been caught up with other projects.
I have been caught up with other projects.
That is a good phrase, caught up with. It means you were very busy with work, not that you just forgot.
That is a lifesaver phrase.
Scenario 5. You want to end the email. You are finished writing.
I usually write bye or thanks.
Thanks is okay for colleagues. Bye is too casual, like a phone call. For professional emails, we use best regards, kind regards, or simply regards.
Best regards. It sounds warm but respectful.
Yes, sincerely is also used, but it is very formal. We usually use sincerely only if we started with Dear Sir, Madam. If you used Hi Anna, then best regards is perfect.
What about just best? I see people write best, Sam.
Best is fine. It is short for best regards. It is common in fast-paced business environments, but if you are a beginner, stick to best regards. It is never wrong.
Okay, best regards.
Now, Sam, I want to talk about one more thing before we do our final recap. Acronyms. Do you know what ASAP means?
Yes, it means as soon as possible.
Correct, but be careful. If you write, send me this ASAP, it can sound very aggressive. It sounds like you are shouting.
Really? I thought it just meant do it quickly.
It does, but in capitals, it looks urgent and demanding. Instead of ASAP, try saying at your earliest convenience.
At your earliest convenience. That is long.
It is long, but it is polite. It means do it as soon as you can, but I'm not trying to stress you out.
I like that. Please send the report at your earliest convenience.
Exactly. Another one is FYI. Do you know this one?
For your information.
Yes, this one is safe to use. It means I am telling you this, but you don't need to do anything. You can forward an email to your boss and just write FYI.
That is easy. FYI.
Okay, we have covered a lot of ground today. We talked about subject lines, greetings, softening language, and sign-offs. Let's do a comprehensive recap to make sure everyone remembers.
Yes, let's review. My brain is full of new phrases.
Step 1, the subject line. Never leave it blank and never just write hi. Be specific. Use meeting request, question regarding, or project update.
Specific is key. Got it.
Step 2, the greeting. Use dear name for formal situations and hi name for colleagues. Avoid hey in professional emails.
Hi or dear. No hey.
Step 3, softening language. This is the most important takeaway. Don't use commands like send this or I want. Use could you please, I would like to, and I was wondering if.
Soften the blow. Use could you and would you.
Step 4, common scenarios. For sick leave, I am feeling under the weather. For attachments, please find attached. For delays, apologies for the delay. For scheduling conflicts, I am afraid I am not available.
And for ending the email, best regards.
You've got it, Sam. And remember, before you hit send, always read your email one last time. Read it out loud. If it sounds rude to your ears, it will sound rude to the reader.
That is a great tip. Reading it out loud helps me hear the tone.
Also, check your spelling. Nothing looks less professional than spelling the client's name wrong.
Oh, I have done that. It is so embarrassing.
We all make mistakes, Sam. The important thing is to learn and improve. English in the workplace is not just about grammar. It's about making the other person feel respected and comfortable working with you.
I feel much more confident now. I'm going to rewrite that email to my boss about my holiday.
Oh, how will you write it now?
Subject, leave request, Sam. Hi boss, I would like to request a day off tomorrow for personal reasons. I have finished my tasks for the week. Please let me know if this is okay. Best regards, Sam.
Sam, that is perfect. It is polite, clear, and professional. Your boss will definitely say yes.
Yay! Thank you, Anna.
You are very welcome. To all our listeners, practicing these small changes can make a huge difference in your career. Don't be afraid to sound polite. In English, you can almost never be too polite in a business setting.
It's better to be too polite than too rude.
Exactly. Take these phrases, write them down, and keep them near your computer. Use them in your next email.
And don't forget to practice the pronunciation we did today.
Yes, speaking the phrases helps you remember them when you are writing.
This was a great lesson. I feel like a business professional now.
You sound like one too. Thank you for learning with us today. We hope this video helps you feel more confident at work.
Yes, thank you everyone.
Don't forget to subscribe to Mrs. English channel for daily tips and English practice. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.